Hello friends, we are back again here, and today we are going to talk about some of the other basic numerical operations in Python. So first of all, let us open our Python shell. So you remember this, ideally Python shell. So I am going to talk about exponentials first. So we can perform exponentials in Python using two asterisks. That is, if we want to perform exponentials, we will just type 2 stars and we will type the number on how much power we do require it. So let's say I would like to know 2 raised to the power 3. So the answer is 8. In a very similar way, we can do it like 2 raised to the power 1 by 4. So you see, this is an exponential of 1 by 4 into 2. So this was exponential. And other thing I want to tell you guys was that if you want to find the quotient and member of a division, we use floor and modulus division respectively. So if you want to find the quotient of a number, so we use floor division. So it's like, let's say I want to divide 10 with 2. So in this case I will get the quotient, that is 5. Now if I want to divide and get the remainder as the answer, we would use modulus. So you see, I got the answer remainder as 1 instead of 5 as quotient. So friends, this was enough for this video. Thank you for watching. Please keep watching it. Subscribe my channel. Let's like it. Thank you.